This Filipino bread. Like
Oh,
name is Pandesal.
Pandesal.
Yeah, this is very very famous in Philippines. Every day we eat this one with coffee.
Man, that is great. Like, it tastes so good. It tastes like one of the cookies I bought in the shop. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to have a one-on-one conversation with this Filipino lady.
Hello.
Hi, say hi to them.
Hi.
Yeah, bakes food. So, what's your name?
My name is Rose Pilar.
Rose Agla.
Yeah.
From
Philippines.
Philippines. You gave me some bakeries and I was wowed. It wowed me. Can you show us that food? Yes, show us the food. Can you please set it out?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
So, this is, guys, we're going to try this, and we already have some mangoes, we have some oranges, we have some plums, some watermelon, and we have this. So, who baked this?
Me.
You baked this?
Yes.
Let me try this. So this is cookie, right?
Yeah, that's a cookie.
Guys, I'm going to try this cookie and see how it tastes. I want to know the ingredient you use for this. And
Yeah, I just like we have a flour.
Mm.
Yeah, and then sugar, eggs, and then butter, and then chocolate chips.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh.
Yeah.
And this is bread, right?
Yeah. This Filipino bread. Like
Oh.
name is Pandesal.
Pandesal.
Yeah, this is very very famous in Philippines. Every day we eat this one with coffee or any kind of bacon, some egg or something like that. It's very famous in Philippines.
And it tastes like I can taste the margarine.
Yeah,
I can taste egg.
they have a flour, eggs, and butter. Yeah, and baking soda, and then what is?
And all of them, the rest.
Yeah, the rest.
This is so good.
Yeah.
Are you?
This is very easy to make. Yeah.
So, every Philippine lady can make this easily, like you have made.
Not all, not all. Some of them they don't know how to bake. So me, it's my habit is always baking, cooking stuff. That's my.
And I feel this is so good. It tastes so great, and you may consider a career in baking or something. That's what I think. I think you may consider a career in baking because it tastes so great. What?
Order cookies or something, so I can do
Make
that.
for them.
Yeah, make for them.
How much does it go? How much does it go if somebody used to order one?
For one recipe for these cookies, it looks like be like 30 pieces or 40 pieces like that. So I cannot give the price yet because I don't know how much the ingredients all. So we need to calculate everything. Yeah, so for me, I just like just keep them not really expensive one. Yeah. For like 200 or 300,000 Vietnam dong like that.
Just that, and the
Yeah,
person's going to get all of these.
Yeah, you can have just all of that.
My God, I can't stop eating.
Yeah, and this this bread is pandesal, like 10 pesos is like 100 Vietnam dong.
Oh.
Yeah, 10 pesos only. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, because the ingredients is like quite expensive too.
No, is it expensive or it's not?
No,
pricey?
not expensive.
Okay.
Yeah, not
Okay. Wow. Have you enjoyed this? Just one, enjoy.
Oh,
Yeah, it's so good. This is so good. It
Thank
tastes
you.
so good, and I love this.
the more delicious this one is. You have like coffee or you put the ham and eggs. So it's more delicious.
It gets so well. Well, especially with the cookie. The cookie tastes
Yeah.
so
this
good.
is my specialty, the cookies. Yeah. Because all my boss is always asking me to bake these cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they are foreigners, so they loves a lot of cookies.
Exactly. And if I were to be in your workplace, or if you were to be my friend, I will most also ask you to bake this, because
Yeah.
these things are really expensive to buy in the shops. And this is homemade. What it means is that it has every ingredient used is of high quality.
Yeah, exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
Exactly. So if I knew you, or if you're my friend, or if I was working with you, I will always ask you to make these cookies for me. Maybe I'll tell Nana so that you can be making more of this for me. It's just good.
Yeah. Yeah.
So guys, I'm just going to leave you here. Anytime you feel like you need cookies, or you want to eat some cookies, and just around Vietnam, guys, don't forget to hit up Nana. This is actually called Rosie's Cookie.
Rosie's cookies.
Yeah. Or some make it Rosie Nana Cookie. Or Nana Rosie Cookie. Which of them?
It depends.
Anyway, guys, so
That's this is a seiji cookies.
this one,
Seiji.
Sergi.
Yeah, seiji cookies.
You mean Sergi?
Yeah, CJ.
Oh, CJ.
Yeah, CJ.
Alright, so she says it's called CJ Cookie. So guys, anytime you're in Vietnam and you are considering a homemade cookie that you want to enjoy, guys, look no further. I'm going to put the number down there. I'm going to put the number just down there. Call or reach out to the number. She's going to make some amazing cookies to your satisfaction. You're never going to regret, especially the foreigners who want to eat some cookie. Guys, look no further. Don't look left, don't look right. Just call the number down here, and she's going to provide you with all these amazing cookies, all of them amazing cookies. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. My name is Kwekusi Kenya Brandt. Don't forget to subscribe and join that big family. It's a bye for today. It's a bye.
Bye.
Don't get up yet. Please sit.